While you add employees in bulk, you can also check the Create Users checkbox and system will automatically create new users. These users will inherit following from the employee, employee's branch, employee's department. Username and password will be set to employee's email address. These users will not be administrator users by default. These users will not be approvers by default. They will not be authorized to create custom HTML forms. These users will be able to see records added by other users. For more details, visit the user creation section on the website. Link is available in description. You can also add users by going to employee section and by clicking add user icon at the right-hand corner in red color. When you click the icon, user will be created. You can then refresh the page and click on the edit user icon to edit user credentials. You can define if the user is admin user or not and other credentials. You can assign multiple branches to a user by selecting branches from the drop-down. When you select multiple branches, this user will have access to records added in those branches. We will cover more on user access control in subsequent tutorials and details.